If you like pea and ham soup, keep watching this video. Outside Tesco, let's go and see what savvy meal I can cook up tonight.
Oh look, I've got the little man.
So first off, grab yourself some celery. Next, grab yourself an onion and a large carrot. Also, you're going to need a gammon joint, and I'm going to go for a smoked one. Next is some bay leaves. And finally, we need some split peas, but unfortunately this Tesco hasn't got any, so we're going to have to go to another.
And there she is off to get some peas. And here she is, she's got the peas. Right, Lucy, what are you cooking up?
I'm cooking pea and ham soup, so let's get it home and cook it up. Right, so I'm back home now with my peas. So first off, just going to rinse these. There's no need to soak them overnight, so just going to rinse them first. So they've all been rinsed now. I'm going to chop my onion. Onions are all cut, now to peel and cut your carrot. Once they're all cut, now clean and cut 2 stalks of celery. So all the celery is cut up now. I'm now going to add my gammon to the bottom here. Then we're going to add all the veg, get that in all round it. 2 bay leaves. There we go. Some garlic puree, some mixed herbs, a litre of chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock if you like. There we go. And you also need to get your split peas in here, so they all go in as well. And then we're going to pop the lid on, and that's going to go on for 6 hours. There we go. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? Right, I'm back now. I've been chocker busy all day. That's had 6 hours now. And it's boiling hot, hot, hot. So I'm going to get the gammon out and I'm going to shred it. Let's get that out. So look at that. Just near enough, still intact. Get that on there. Look how much it falls apart. Wow. And if you want to shred it up even more, just get your scissors on it. So that's all shredded. Now all you have to do is get your hand blender into the slow cooker, but remember to take out your bay leaves and just give it a vital whizzle. Right, that's done. Whisked up nicely. So I'm going to get me ham and get this into the slow cooker as well. That is one massive portion as well. Look at that. Get all that in. Whoop. And we're going to give that a really good mix up. Pea and ham soup, done. And that is ready to serve up. And I've even got some garlic bread for on the side. Nice, thick pea and ham soup. It's so thick now because of all the ham that's in it. Oh my God, this is going to be so filling. Wow.
And there you go, guys, an easy, savvy meal from Lucy Lou. Get yourself some garlic bread as well, it'll taste amazing. Right, let's give this a taste. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous pea and ham soup. Really nice, really warm. Give it a try. Get yourself down to Tesco.